Hey guys, welcome to Not My Shop. The reason I'm here is because a salon over in Grandview Heights recently contacted me and asked me to make them some cool storefront signage. This project involves doing some printed graphics and some simple cut vinyl lettering. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that here. We'll go back over to my workshop and we'll finish up with the big dimensional sign that they want. Now that the printed graphics and the cut vinyl are all finished up, I'm back here at my workshop ready to start working on the main dimensional sign. Now the background of the sign is going to be cut out of 1/4" satin black ACM. I used some of this material in my last project and I really like it. This is definitely the thinnest and most spindly piece of text I have ever even tried to cut out on my CNC machine. Now, because it's so thin, there are little parts that didn't quite get their corners as sharp as I would like them. So I'm going to use my scroll saw to clean up some of these edges. Now I'll go ahead and let these dry, and that'll give me a chance to get everything loaded up in my car and ready for installation tomorrow. Okay, I'm back here at Authentic Strands, ready to start doing the installation. The first thing I'm gonna do is work on the door. All right, after a hard day's work, I got all of this storefront signage finished up and I think it looks great. Now I had to come back for a second trip because this dimensional sign here actually wasn't level the first time I put it in. The ground isn't completely flat, so I had to recut that little strip on the bottom that compensated and pushed the left side up a little bit to fix it. Now I just really need to go back to my shop and clean it up like always. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.